Hi guys, I'm Milad Reza, a logo and brand identity designer. In this video I'm going to show you how to design this all lettermark in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First of all, from view menu make sure snap to grid is on. Now we need to draw a vertical line. Hold down shift key and draw your line and duplicate it by holding down alt key and drag the line into right. Select both lines and make sure they are aligned vertically. Now go to Object menu, Blend and Blend option. Set a spacing to a specific number and orientation align to page and type 33 in the box and OK. Now go to Object, Blend and Make. You can also do that by Alt Ctrl D. Again go to Object and expand the object and OK. Now right click and ungroup the object. Go to Transform and rotate the object and make a copy. Now select all the lines, right click on it and select Make Guides. By Ellipse tools, draw a perfect circle exactly in the center of the grid and another one. Now I need a 7 diameter circle just as a guide and duplicate it. A circle on top and one in bottom. Now draw an ellipse. And another one in the center. And the circle as a guide to draw another ellipse. Exactly here. And the last one here. Select all the shapes. Select Shape Builder tool. Choose black color and now hold down the left mouse button and move the pointer through those parts you want to combine. Well, now I want to delete all unnecessary lines. Here I want to divide this shape into the equal parts. So draw a horizontal line exactly in the center of the shape. Select both line and shape. Go to Window. Select Pathfinder. Click on Divide button. Now ungroup the object. Delete unnecessary lines. Select the upper part of the shape. Go to Transform, Reflect. Reflect the shape vertically. Okay, it's almost done. By Direct Selection tool, select these two anchor points. Go to corner box and type 0.02 and enter. Now just select your favorite color. Everything is done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in another video.